Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to set up a mail server using two powerhouses, Postfix for sending and Dovecot for receiving emails. First, let's SSH into mail server. I change into root user using sudo -i. First, we need to install Postfix. Since we're on a CentOS-based system, we'll use yum. Now for the core configuration, we need to edit Postfix's main configuration file. My hostname. This identifies our server. I'll set it to stmail1.stratos.exusioncorp.com. My domain. This is our email domain, which the task specifies as stratos.exusioncorp.com. My origin. This determines what appears in the from header for locally generated mail. We'll set it to $mydomain. init_interfaces, This tells Postfix which network interfaces to listen on. For simplicity and to ensure it works, we'll set it to all. Home_mailbox. This is super important for step 3. We need to tell Postfix to deliver mail into a Maildir format, specifically within the user's home directory. Destination. This defines the domains for which this server accepts mail. We want it to accept mail for itself and our domain. Next, we need to create the email account in Linux. An email account for a local mail server often corresponds to a system user. Now for Dovecot. Postfix handles sending, but Dovecot handles receiving emails, allowing users to access their inboxes. Now for the configuration. Open Dovecot's main config file. We need to ensure that IMAP and POP3 protocols are enabled. Find the protocols line and make sure it includes both. Next, we tell Dovecot where to find the user's mailboxes. This is crucial to match our Postfix configuration. Find mail location and set it to Maildir. Maildir. For this lab, we'll simplify authentication. Uncomment and set Disable Plaintext Authentication to No. Set authentication mechanisms to plain login. Finally, let's start Postfix and ensure it automatically starts on boot. We got an error, so we check using systemctl. We get error on overriding in inet interface and my destination lines. So let's fix this. Let's restart again Postfix for sure. There you have it. It is restart successfully. You can check its status with systemctl status Postfix if you want to be sure. Just like Postfix, let's get Dovecot running and set to start on boot. Again, systemctl status Dovecot can confirm it's running. Everything looks perfect in the terminal. The services are up, the user is configured, and the mail directory is set to the exact location requested. It's time for the final verdict. Let's head back to the lab interface and hit that check button. Task passed. That confirms our Postfix and Dovecot configuration, user creation, and Maildir setup were all successful and met the requirements of the lab. If this video helped you pass your lab or understand the email flow better, please smash that like button and hit subscribe. Your support helps me create more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching.